All right, we're going to begin with a video on setting up a project. So we'll assume by this point you've gone through the instructions, you've downloaded the program, and that you've opened it using the link on your desktop. When you do so, be sure to use the button that says Use Free Edition. First thing we'll do is create a new project. So we're going to click on this button. Then create a blank project. We're going to design our own structure. When you open this, it'll take you to a page labeled Variable Definition. What are variables are really the cases, the individual investigative cases. And we'll have a separate page, a separate variable for each one of those cases, each one of those university reports. So we'll begin with a case, one of the investigative cases. Now for variable name, we're only allowed to use 10 keystrokes, so be kind of selective, but use something that will spark your memory. We'll begin with Spalding University investigative reports. We'll just type in Spalding. Then a description. We can type in Spalding University. And I like to include the year of the report. Now for data type, bring down this menu. All of our data types, all our cases are going to be the same type. They're all going to be documents. So we'll click on Document and click Add. And you see down here it's taken all the information we put up here and it's included under the variable name, the data type, and the description. We'll have a separate one of these for each investigative report. So for example, if you're part of a group and you're responsible for 5 or 6 reports, you will enter 5 or 6 of them here. I'll go ahead and enter another one just so you see what it looks like when we have multiple variables. We'll use Community College of Aurora. 10 keystrokes not going to be enough. So we'll just type in CCA and the description, Community College of Aurora. Again, the year of the report, which was 2017. Keep in mind, the case, the incident took place in 2016. 2017 refers to the year that it was published. That's what's important for us. Next, data type. Same as before, document. Click Add, and there we go. And you'll do this for each of the investigative cases that you're responsible for in your group or your data set, whatever the case may be. So if you're part of a group of 5 and you're doing 5 investigative reports, you're responsible for 5, you'll finish with 5 reports. Once you're done, I'm going to click Create, and it's going to ask us for a file name. I'm going to use a test because I'll probably go back and delete this. So I'm just going to say test AAUP reports, and yeah, that's probably a good description right there. AAUP Investigative Reports is probably a good title, but just something that when you see it, you'll know what it means. I'm going to click Save. All right. Then at the bottom, we're going to click on Create. Oops. I clicked on that. I don't know what that means. We're just going to ignore it. At any rate, be sure and check on that green box that says Accept. That will take you, that little green check, that will take you to this page. Now you see at the top, you have these tabs that we've created, names of the institutions. Spalding, and then the CCA case. Once you're done, once you've entered all these 5 or 6 reports or whatever your data might be,